Are you looking for any treatment needs in India? Are you looking for any free consultation with Indian doctor via Skype or video call to discuss your health problem? Then yes, you've reached your perfect destination. HealthRight. HealthRight is the real doctors-powered artificial intelligence-based platform to assist you to search most suitable treatment options you're looking for. Ranging to a wide range of treatments and surgeries.
Okay. Let's get started with short intro to how to use HealthRight to figure out most suitable treatment option in India. Here in this section you can click any body part making the problem. HealthRight will instantly give you the specialist doctors for the same. This is not enough. Even you can book instant appointment with those doctors to discuss your medical problem for free.
Okay. You know what treatment you need abroad, but you want a quick estimate for your known treatment needs. On HealthRight you can select the treatment required along with your contact details, and system will generate instant approximate estimate for you to give you a rough idea about cost. We do not stop here. Our executive will be in touch with you to tell exact cost of treatment within 48 hours.
What in case if you don't know that what internal body part is making the problem? Worry not, HealthRight system is smart enough to help you in that case. Just select the symptoms you are feeling from the list of thousands body illness symptoms and submit to us. We will get back to you with the right doctor suggested by HealthRight.
So it's time to forget the worries. If you don't have right medical facility in your country, HealthRight is able to connect you to best doctors, best hotels needed while treatment abroad, best airfares quotations and much more. And HealthRight is getting smarter daily with the inputs from thousands of expert doctors.